In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently insert and manage tables in Microsoft PowerPoint. This guide is designed to help you enhance your presentation skills by seamlessly integrating tables into your slides, ensuring that your data is not only clear, but also visually appealing to your audience. Let's get started by opening your existing Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file. This is, of course, the first step, and it's important to have the file ready where you want to make or enhance your presentation. If you haven't created your presentation yet, you can do so by opening PowerPoint and choosing Blank Presentation, or any template that suits your project's theme. Once you're in your presentation, locate the top menu and navigate to the Insert tab. This tab is where you'll find various options for adding different types of content to your slide, ranging from pictures and charts to text boxes and tables, which is what we'll be focusing on today. Now you'll want to click on Table, which is an icon you can find within the Insert menu. Clicking this will reveal a grid that pops up, allowing you to select the number of rows and columns you need. You can do this by dragging your mouse over the grid. It's wise to think about how much data you wish to include in your table so that you create the appropriate number of cells from the start. After setting up your initial table, you may need to copy it to another slide within your presentation. To do this, click anywhere on the table to select it and then drag over the table to ensure it's fully highlighted. With the table now selected, you can use the Ctrl+C keyboard shortcut to copy it. Keyboard shortcuts are incredibly useful for speeding up your workflow, allowing you to perform actions more swiftly. Next, navigate to the slide where you wish to paste this table. Once on the desired slide, use the Ctrl+V shortcut to paste the table. This action duplicates the table from your previous slide to the new location, maintaining all formatting and data you've entered. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted and managed tables within your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Remember, using tables effectively can significantly enhance the comprehensibility and professionalism of your presentation, enabling your audience to digest and understand complex data with ease. We've walked through the entire process, from opening your PowerPoint file to inserting and copying your table, and finally pasting it onto another slide. With these steps, you have the tools to begin enhancing your presentations with smart, data-driven visuals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your PowerPoint endeavors.